Auto detailing shops and chemical companies are making billions selling you $20 tire shine sprays that are actively destroying the rubber on your tires. The solvent-based silicone products that fill the shelves at every auto parts store, the aerosol foams, the spray gels, the brush-on dressings, they make your tires look wet and black for approximately 48 hours. Then they dry out, the surface turns brown again, and the rubber underneath is in worse condition than it was before you applied anything. In this video, I am going to show you the $1 liquid that turns brown tires permanently black, explain exactly why commercial tire shine products damage your rubber, walk you through the complete application process step by step, and tell you the one place you should never put this product. Let's start with what is actually happening to your tires and why they turn brown in the first place. Tires are not painted black. They are vulcanized rubber, a compound of natural rubber, synthetic polymers, carbon black, and protective antioxidant oils that are built directly into the rubber compound during manufacturing. The carbon black is what makes tires dark. The antioxidant oils and waxes that are blended into the rubber compound are what protect it from UV radiation, ozone exposure, and oxidation that would otherwise cause the rubber to crack and degrade. Every time your tires roll through rain, road salt, and road chemicals, those protective oils are slowly leached out of the rubber surface. Every time the tires bake in direct sunlight, UV radiation attacks the rubber compound and accelerates the oxidation process. The result is a gray, chalky, brown surface, not because the rubber is dirty, but because the protective oils that kept it black have been depleted from the surface layer. Commercial tire shine products, specifically solvent-based silicone sprays and petroleum-based aerosol foams, do not replace those oils. They coat the rubber surface with a thin layer of silicone or petroleum that reflects light and looks wet and black for 48 hours. Then the solvent carrier in the product evaporates, the coating breaks down, and what is left on the rubber surface is a residue that attracts road dust and accelerates the same oxidation process the product was supposed to prevent. The reason silicone-based tire shine products actually damage rubber over time is that the solvents used to carry the silicone into the product and to make it spray or foam are not compatible with vulcanized rubber. They penetrate the rubber surface along with the silicone and displace the natural antioxidant compounds that were still present. When the solvent evaporates, it takes some of those remaining natural compounds with it. Each application of a solvent-based tire shine product leaves the rubber slightly more depleted than it was before. The auto detailing industry knows this. Professional detailers who work on high-end vehicles use water-based tire dressings specifically because they do not contain the solvents that degrade rubber over time. The $1 product that turns brown tires black and does not damage the rubber is vegetable glycerin. Pure vegetable glycerin is available at any pharmacy, any health food store, and most grocery stores for approximately $1 per bottle. It is a natural compound derived from plant oils, completely non-toxic, biodegradable, and fully compatible with vulcanized rubber chemistry. Here is what glycerin does that commercial tire shine products do not. Glycerin is a humectant, a compound that attracts and retains moisture. When applied to tire rubber, glycerin penetrates the surface and replaces the moisture and conditioning agents that have been depleted by UV exposure and road chemical washing. It does not coat the rubber from the outside like silicone. It conditions the rubber from within the surface layer. The result is a deep, natural black color, not the artificial wet gloss of a silicone spray, but the same dark, even tone that new tires have because the rubber's own surface condition has been restored. And because glycerin does not contain solvents, it does not accelerate the depletion of the rubber's natural protective compounds. The glycerin water mix for tire application uses a ratio of approximately 1 part glycerin to 1 part distilled water. Mix them in a spray bottle. That is the entire formulation. The application process is straightforward, but sequence matters. Step 1. Clean the tire sidewall completely before applying anything. Use a dedicated tire cleaner or a diluted all-purpose cleaner and a stiff brush to remove all road grime, brake dust, old tire dressing residue, and the brown oxidation layer from the sidewall surface. This step is critical. Applying glycerin over a dirty or oxidized surface seals the contamination in and produces an uneven, blotchy result. The tire needs to be as clean as a new tire before the glycerin goes on. Rinse completely and let the tire dry before proceeding. Step 2. Shake the glycerin and water mixture in the spray bottle and apply it to a foam applicator pad, not directly onto the tire. Applying directly to the tire risks overspray onto the brake caliper, the rotor face, and the tread surface. Glycerin on the tread surface reduces wet grip significantly. This is not a minor concern. Glycerin on tread is a safety issue. Apply it only to the sidewall and never allow it to contact the tread or the bead area. Step 3. Work the applicator pad across the tire sidewall in overlapping strokes, covering the full sidewall surface including the lettering and grooves. Use enough product to produce an even, slightly wet appearance across the entire sidewall. Step 4. Let the tire absorb the glycerin for 5 minutes without touching it. During this time, the glycerin is being drawn into the rubber surface. After 5 minutes, if there is visible excess on the surface, buff it lightly with a clean microfiber cloth. Step 5. Do not drive the vehicle for at least 30 minutes after application to allow the glycerin to fully absorb into the rubber surface before road spray and centrifugal force start to remove it. Now, how long does it last compared to commercial tire shine products? A single glycerin application on a clean tire sidewall lasts 3 to 4 weeks with daily driving in normal rain and road conditions. Detailing specialists working with the Glycerin Formula on client vehicles have reported results lasting beyond 4 weeks on vehicles that are garaged between uses. Commercial silicone-based spray tire shine on the same tire, in the same conditions, lasts 48 to 72 hours before the tire returns to its pre-application color. The glycerin application takes approximately 5 minutes more than a spray shine product because of the cleaning prep requirement. That 5 minutes of additional preparation produces results that last 4 to 8 times longer, with no solvent damage to the rubber compound. For drivers who want results beyond what a glycerin water mix provides, specifically for severely browned or oxidized tires where the rubber surface has lost significant amounts of its natural carbon black and antioxidant content, the next step up is a product called Forever Black Tire Dye. Forever Black is not a tire shine. It is a rubber dye that bonds to the tire surface and restores the carbon black coloring at the surface level rather than coating over it. It is available at most auto parts stores for approximately $12 to $15 and produces results that last 6 to 12 months on a properly prepared tire surface. It is the correct product for severe tire browning, where glycerin conditioning alone will not fully restore the appearance. Here is what you should stop buying immediately and why. STP Son of a Gun, Armor All Tire Foam, Black Magic Tire Wet, and the aerosol tire foam products from every major automotive brand. All of these are solvent-based silicone products that produce a short-term cosmetic result while degrading the rubber surface with each application. The fact that they make your tires look good for 48 hours while making the underlying rubber condition progressively worse is a business model, not a tire care solution. The glycerin alternative costs $1, lasts 3 to 4 weeks, conditions the rubber rather than damaging it, and is the product that professional detailers use on high-value vehicles where tire longevity matters more than a short-term glossy appearance. If this video saves you $20 on your next bottle of tire shine, hit like and subscribe. Real detailing knowledge. No industry markup. See you in the next one.